Stop having dinner. Starting today, Jane Doe, prepare this drink for just 7 days and see what happens. It will reduce your belly, decrease intestinal inflammation, boost immunity, detox your body, and on top of that, it's delicious. Watch until the end, and you'll thank me. And tell me, is your belly big today? To begin, cut an apple into small pieces. If you prefer, you can use a green apple. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, which helps maintain a feeling of fullness. Tell me, young lady, what bothers you most about your body today? Apples also contain antioxidants and other beneficial compounds for your health. They are considered one of the best fruits for regulating our digestive system. They help stimulate the kidneys and liver, maintaining pectin. They are antioxidants thanks to malic and tartaric acid. Cut the apple into small pieces and set it aside, as we'll move on to the second ingredient. But before that, let me know which city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug at the end of this video. Now we'll need 2 bananas. Cut the bananas into small pieces, and if you've made it this far, comment banana below. Bananas are fruits that bring several health benefits, such as providing energy to the body, reducing blood pressure, preventing muscle cramps and boosting serotonin levels, combating depression and improving mood. And Jane Doe, what would you change about your body today? How is your belly? Do you have fat on your legs and back? Tell me, young lady, these benefits are due to the fact that bananas are rich in carbohydrates, fiber, potassium, and magnesium, as well as B-complex vitamins and vitamin C. The combination of these ingredients is surprising, creating a drink with numerous health benefits while being delicious. Now, place the ingredients in a blender along with a glass of milk and 2 cups of oats. Blend for a few minutes. These ingredients can form a balanced smoothie that provides essential nutrients, fiber, and energy without adding too many calories. Studies have shown that its antioxidants have protective properties, reducing the risk of developing degenerative diseases, such as cancer, strokes, and cardiovascular diseases. And make sure to share this video with your friends or that one friend of yours with a saggy, unflattering belly. I'm sure she'll love it, my dear. Not to mention you'll be helping her with this caloric miracle. Do you have dinner at night, Jane Doe? You can drink this smoothie instead of dinner, or if you prefer, every morning to start your day off right during the week. The tips we share here are a compliment to your health, but always remember to consult your family doctor. That's today's information. What did you think of this smoothie today? Can I count on you? I'll stop here. Good night and a big kiss. Stay safe, and God bless you all.